Now we are going to discuss equation of a plane parallel to a given plane. Okay. So here we have two type of forms. One is your vector form, and the second we have Cartesian form. Right. Now we are starting with the vector form. So in vector form, let this is your this chapter is in 3D geometry, so we are discussing 3D geometry. Let it is your x-axis and it is your z-axis and this is your y-axis. So in your yz plane, let we have one plane here. This is a given plane, and the equation of the plane, your vector r dot vector n is equal to d1. And let's say we have another one plane here parallel to the given plane. So this is parallel to the given plane. So here I can write this is my parallel plane. Parallel plane. Right. Now whatever we do find it out, then we are going to write it. So the vector equation of a plane parallel to the given plane, I can write vector r dot vector n is equal to d1 is vector r dot vector n is equal to d2. So these two are parallel planes. Okay, where your d2 is a constant determined by the given condition. Right. Now, so we got this part. This is one vector or one plane parallel to the other plane. We got it the equation and we have to solve accordingly. Now I am going to discuss the Cartesian equation. Cartesian form. Right. In a Cartesian form, the Cartesian equation of a plane parallel to the given plane, say your ax plus by plus cz plus d1 is equal to 0 is ax plus by plus cz plus d2 is equal to 0, where d2 is a constant, right, and determined by the given condition. Right. Now to understand it properly, we should solve one numerical. Okay. So the question, find the equation of the plane parallel to the plane 3x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0 and passing through the point 1, 1, 2. So here we have to find the equation of a plane which is parallel to the plane this much. It should be parallel to the given plane and passes through the point 1, 1, 2. Right. So when we are going to solve this given equation of plane, what is that? According to the question, 3x minus 2y plus z is equal to 3x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. Isn't it? Here I think yeah, 1 plus 5 is there. Plus 5 is equal to 0. So correction in the question, plus 5 is equal to 0. Z plus 5 is equal to 0. Right. Let the equation of the plane parallel to the given plane is 3x minus 2y plus z plus k. Here k is a constant, okay, is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation 1. Okay. Now as per the question, the plane must pass through the point 1, 1, 2. So this plane is passing through this plane is passing through point 1, 1, 2, right? So it implies that, so 3 into 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 2 plus k is equal to 0, which implies that 3 plus k is equal to 0, which implies your k is coming to minus 3, right? Now on putting k is equal to minus 3 in your equation 1, this equation 1, we get 3x minus 2y plus z minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so now this is your required equation. So hopefully you are now understanding it.